Today I want to show you the CURLUP Twisting Style Balm. There's a lot of different ways this product can be used. I want to show you on Dominic today how I get in control of his frizzy hair. I'm really impressed how much frizz control the Twisting Style Balm already giving to Dominic's hair. So now I just want to add a little bit of shine. So I'm going to use the De-Frizz Oil, and this also gives you a humidity control for up to 3 days. If you want to find out more about the KMS brand or the products, just go on kms.com. Or you can find lots of videos with lots of cool stylists. They're trying to give you lots of inspirations. On YouTube, you find the KMS Pro channel.